So it's IPC Apex Expo 2023 in San Diego. It's day one. I'm joined by Mark from Aven. Thanks for coming over.
Thank you.
So we haven't spoken before, so just give me a bit of an overview of your business.
So Aven is a manufacturer of hand tools and optical inspection equipment, basically for the assembly line and the quality lab. We do basically all the 2D inspection you need. If you have a production line, our microscopes cover the production line, as well as we supply the tweezers, the pliers, and the cutters that you use. So really we supply almost everything for the precision assembly bench.
Right, yeah.
Whether it's medical device or electronics, aerospace.
So how is we've come out of the all the COVID issues and everything, and it feels like we're getting back to normal now a bit, doesn't it? How did you adapt to those times, and have you come out of the starting blocks quite strongly?
Yeah, so we've actually, through COVID, because we supply a lot to the medical device industry, we actually were open every day through COVID. We did not need to shut down, and obviously we had the same supply chain issues that most companies face, but we were able to handle those for the most part with our factories working as they needed to adapt. And now that we've come out of this, I mean, the show this year is already better than the show last year for us. So we're pretty excited about that.
Yeah, good.
And last year was actually one of our best years ever.
Oh, good.
And so we're looking to build on that success. And this year is actually our 40th anniversary.
Oh, great! Yeah.
So Aven, that started as a jewelry tool manufacturer in my dad's basement, is now 40 years selling optical inspection equipment. So
excellent.
We're really happy about that.
Yeah, and that's quite a. It's not just a heritage. There's a lot of knowledge there, isn't there?
Yes. So expanding from one product line to another as we grew, we developed the tools and hired on the staff needed to grow into each one of those markets that our customers and distribution partners were telling us to.
It's been quite organic growth, I guess.
Yes. Yeah. It's quite organic and limited by design, not to overindulge.
Yeah. And I guess some of those customers have been with you since the very beginning of it.
Yeah, so from the very beginning, obviously we started as a jewelry tool industry. Not many of those are around right now, but a lot of the customers, have grown as well into, long-time partners of ours. And as the industry is consolidated, we've been able to grow with them.
Excellent. And does, a lot of it, I guess, is, development is driven by feedback from customers and their desires of what they need to do. Exactly, and
that's kind of how we got into the inspection side of our equipment. We were essentially a hand tool manufacturer, and then they had asked us to bring in magnifying lamps. So magnifying lamps that went to handheld magnifiers, to microscopes, to the digital microscopes you see that we have right now.
Yeah, that's fantastic. How long has that been happening then?
The microscopes and the optical started about 20 some odd years ago.
Right. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Have you got anything new you're showing at the
We actually do this year. So there's a brand new product. It's a patented product. It's called the Mighty View Inspector. And it recently just won the NPI award for New Product of the Year for first article inspection. Excellent. So, through the microscopes have always had cameras on them. The magnifying lamps that almost every factory uses still never had the ability to take a picture, to interface with the computer. Right. Yeah. So now we've actually put a camera installed in there that actually pivots and turns and has a USB output, an HDMI output, as well as an SD card built in. Right. So we're really excited about this product, and we're excited that we won the award for New Product.
Excellent.
Innovation Award.
And is this the first time you're showing that product to the?
Yes, it was actually just released about a week ago.
Oh, excellent. Yeah. So I guess interest is high in that, even though it's only the first day.
Yeah, no, the first day is shown, and all the beta testing that we did on site has been very positive for this product.
Fantastic, yeah. And it's a busy show. That footfall is good straight away, isn't it? So it looks like it's going to be a good year.
Yeah, we sure hope so.
Yeah. And these shows are important, aren't they? Like actually meeting customers and seeing what the competitions are doing.
Absolutely, yeah. And it brings everybody together. And not only that, we work through an independent network of sales representatives throughout the country. So it's a good time to get everybody together again and showcase a new product to them as we're all together. And obviously we have some fun afterwards on the side.
It's the important part, yeah. Well, thanks for spending time to talk to us.
I appreciate it.
Great to find out about that, and I hope the show is really good for you.
I do appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.